Hi, today I would like to show you how to find percentage of the total or sum of the measure. In this case, we would use simple dataset with two columns, ingredient and weight. So let's put it in the table. So what if you want to have the sum in each row? I will show you what is not working. The sum formula and sum x. So let's put it in the table and we would have the same results. So what will work is to apply additional filter, remove filters. Let's put it, and now we would have 2015 in each row. So that's the total sum. And now we can easily find the percentage of total. So let me show you. We would have two variables, the current weight and plus the total weight. That would be sum x with the remove filters. And the last step would be divide current by total. And for 100, we would have almost 50%. Another case, what if you want to find the percentage of total but based on the measure and not column? So let me show you a measure. That's a simple one. If the value is more than 100, so use the value, other use just 0. So let me put the measure, and the percentage of the measure would be the next one. So the current would be the measure, the total would be sum x for the measure, including remove filters, and let me put it in the table. That's a second option. And the last present for you would be the percentage of total using the rank x, but in this case that would be a column. Let me add it. Rank x is a popular formula, so that would be for current. And the next one would be the total, just based on the rank x. This is sum x and remove filters. That's it. Cheers and thank you again.